Hello there, my name is Eric, and today I'm going to bring a question which I've been thinking about recently, which is who took the first picture on the surface of Mars? Now, officially there is an answer to that question. It was the United States that would have taken the picture with Viking 1 in 1975. However, there is a possibility that the first picture was taken before that by the Soviet Union in 1971 on the Mars 3 mission. So let's take a look at this. First of all, for those who might be surprised that the Soviet Union might have been the first, that wasn't actually something new at that time. The Soviet Union was first in many space exploration activities. For example, they sent the first satellite to space, they were the first to send life to space, they were the first to send people to space, they were the first to land on the moon, they were the first to take pictures from the surface of the moon, and they were the only ones to take pictures on the surface of Venus. And they were also the first to land on Mars. And this mission was Mars 3, which was supposed to take a picture on the surface of Mars. However, the picture that was sent back was this one. And even the Soviet Academy of Sciences at the time agreed that this picture was a failure, that it was just presenting noise. It wasn't showing a horizon or a sky or anything. But here comes my experience. I worked with satellite image interpretation before, and I've also developed softwares to assess the quality of satellite images. So that involves noise. The Soviet Academy of Science claimed that this picture only shows noise, but when I look at this, I don't see noise. I see patterns, and noise doesn't have patterns. Take a look, for example, at this noisy picture. The spots are random, the pixels are totally random. There's white and black, and there's no way of guessing where they're going to show up. In this case here, in the picture taken by Mars 3, we see clusters of pixels of the same color, white and dark. That doesn't classify as noise. So what is this? Now, some people believe that the probe might have fell on its side and taken a picture, and what we are actually seeing is the horizon. So if that is true, let's compare. We can compare with pictures that were taken later. As of 1975, we have pictures from the surface of Mars. So let's compare the two. What we see here is that Mars has a dark soil and a bright sky. And that is exactly what we see in the Soviet picture taken by Mars 3. Okay, maybe not, but let's take a closer look. What are these bright spots? These bright spots could very well be rocks, as we see in the pictures taken by NASA. And in fact, if you take a closer look at the white spots, you see that next to them, in most of them, to the right, there is a dark spot. Those are shadows. We see those in the pictures taken by NASA. So, what do you think? Could this be a real picture of the surface of Mars? The first one? Do you think this qualifies as evidence that the Soviets were the first to take pictures from the surface of Mars? What do you think? Share with others. Thanks for watching.